Hello, I'm Jade, and today we're discussing over how long should I finance my used car. So in this video, we're going to discuss, and hopefully you'll feel more confident and ready to take on car finance for your dream used whip. Now, you could buy your next used car in cash, or you could go for car finance, which will allow you to spread the cost over a certain period of time. Now, yes, the tricky question. When you finance a used car, how long should you be making your loan term? And how many years should you be paying it across? Let's discuss. So let's talk car loan terms. A car loan term refers to how long that you'll have to pay back the amount of money you've borrowed from the lender, also known as your repayment period. You'll find that the typical finance terms will be between 3 and 4 years. In fact, did you know the average loan term for a car is 54 months? That's a long time, or slightly over 4 years. Some lenders often offer a loan term of up to 7 years or 84 months, which you may think is a good thing. Having much longer to repay your loan sounds amazing, right? Well, sorry to break it to you, but it's probably not, as the amount of interest you'll pay will be super high. Now, used cars are generally a lot cheaper than newly manufactured ones, so they're often the more affordable option. However, you may still find yourself in a situation that you can't afford to buy the car outright as a cash buyer. So maybe your only option is to use car finance. So getting a car loan means that you can spread the cost of your car over a certain number of months, even years. What would be too many years to finance a used car? You can finance a car for as long as you wish. Some lenders even allow you to finance a car for up to 10 years. But with a second-hand car, I'd say around 7 years would be enough. And you'll find that the longer the car term is, the higher the interest rate will be as a result. Making your car loan longer will reduce your monthly payments, but you'll find that actually you'll be paying more interest rates in the long run. Also, say you come to sell the car in a couple of years, it probably won't make any money. And if you wish to resell the older car, the more miles, the less it's worth. So let's have a look at what finance loan suits a second-hand car and how long we should finance it for. HP, also known as hire purchase, the loan terms for HP cars are usually 12 to 60 months or 1 to 5 years. The monthly payments will be higher than the PCP contract. It's because once you're done with the payments, you don't have to pay for the balloon payment. The car will be yours as soon as the contract ends and once you've paid every single payment. PCP. The loan terms for PCP cars are usually 24 to 36 months long. The PCP deal, while your monthly repayments will be lower, you'll have to pay an optional final payment at the end of your contract if you want the car to be yours. However, if you choose not to buy the car, you can return the car to the car finance company. The car should be in good condition and you should be able to stick to the agreed mileage limits. Otherwise, you might have to pay some extra fees. Final tip, remember, don't rush the process and enjoy the journey. It may be a long ride to save for the deposit. Just think though, when you're sitting in that dream car. I'm Jade and I'll see you on the road. Thanks everyone.